Let's design a push-down automata to accept strings of the language. L is equal to W C W power R, where W is an element of A or B the whole star. The words can be derived from two symbols A and B. It could be anything. And let us impose on condition that the length of the string should be greater than 0. So W power R is nothing but the reverse of W. The language will have words of this format. So C just acts as a separator or a delimiter, we can assume. So this is W. When C comes, we have to assume that the reverse of this W has to appear. So this is W power R. So this is W power R. And similarly, wherever you see, this is W and this is W power R. Now let's take one sample word and look at the stack configuration as usual. When A comes, it has to be pushed. See, the concept here is that if you take the word of this kind, A, B, B, C, B, B, A. So this B has to be mapped to this B has to be mapped to this A has to be mapped to this. So it goes like this. Whatever that comes till this C can be pushed onto the stack. When C comes, it means the symbols that are coming after that has to be mapped onto whatever we have pushed. So this is popping. Okay, so now whatever A's and B's comes on your input, just we have to push until C comes on your input. So till this stage is pushing. C comes, so hereafter we have to pop. So how to pop? When B comes, we should expect another B on top. When B comes, we should expect another B on top. A comes, we should expect a A on top. So whatever symbol that is there in the input now, the same has to be expected on the top of the stack also. So when B is there, pop it out. When B is there, pop it out. And when A is there, pop it out. So finally, we'll be left out with Z0 on our input symbol. So that's the understanding behind the language. Now let's draw the automata for the same. So we'll take this sample word ABB, C, BB, A. So this is W and this is W power R. So initially the string may start with A or may start with B, right? So this is W1, word 1. W2 may be BA, B, C, BA, B. This may be W and this may be W power R. So, and hence from the start state, you can either have A or you can have B as your input symbol. In either case, the bottom stack marker will be Z0 and this Z0 has to be as such on your stack pushed with the corresponding input symbol. So this will become A Z0 or B Z0. So when two transitions are written over here, any one could be matched depending on the input that we do have. Now that after pushing the first input symbol, you can have any combinations of A and B that come on your input. So let me write, when A is on the input, either you may already have A on the top of the stack if this is the case. So what to do? You have to push in two A's. If A is on the top input, if B is on the top of the stack, then this B has to be left as it is and this A has to be pushed, leaving it AB. When B is on the input symbol, this A has to be as such and this B has to be pushed over it. And then when B comes on your input, when B is on the top of the stack, BB is that. So this is the pushing case. Then what is the delimiter? When C comes on the input, now again there are two possibilities. If you think here, B is on the input. Again, if you take one more string W3, let's say ABA, C, ABA. So again, A will be on the top of the input. So A can also be there, in which case you should not change. B can also be there, in which case you should not alter the stack content. Finally, when A comes on your input, here when A comes on the input, what is expected to be on the top? A. It can be popped out. When B comes on the input, it is expected to be B on the top of the stack. You can pop it out. Okay. Then any number of such symbols when it comes match with the same symbol. That's what needs to be properly understood. If not, I'll show it here. Here B has to be mapped to B, B has to be mapped to E, A has to be mapped to A. That's the meaning of reversal. Finally, epsilon should be on the input symbol, Z naught has to be on the top of the stack. So enter into a final state. That's it, very easy. This automata will accept strings of the format WC W power R, where length of W is greater than 0 and W is an element of A or B the whole star. Not actually star, it should be plus.